right, let's jump straight into this explainer and decode music theory's absolute most controversial sound. So, what is music's harshest, most misunderstood sound? The minor ninth chord or the interval? Well, to crack this musical mystery, it literally all comes down to the number 13. You see, a minor ninth stretches a really clashing minor second interval across an entire octave. That massive 13 semitone gap creates rapid acoustic beating. It just sounds intensely unstable and abrasive.
But here's the catch. There's a huge, widespread mix-up we really need to clear up.
Crazy enough, a minor ninth chord actually uses a major ninth interval. It sounds super lush. So golden rule, never confuse that beautiful, moody chord with the harsh minor ninth interval. Which begs the question, if that clashing interval isn't in the chord, where does it live?
It lives right here, hiding inside the intensely suspenseful dominant 7th flat 9 chord.
Just look at this breakdown. Notice that intense 13 semitone clash between the root and flat ninth? Because that gap lacks resonance, it creates a massive forward pull, practically begging to resolve. And composers absolutely love using this exact tension to add profound emotional weight to their music. You'll hear it spicing up high-voiced minor chords, dramatic solo leaps, and expressive vocal lines. Leaping suddenly to a minor ninth creates this huge emotional surge of yearning before resolving downward. You've got to try it. Build a flat 9 chord, then smoothly step that flat ninth right on down. So, will you use this beautiful chaos for yearning solos or dark harmony? The choice is yours.